Hi, I am Abraham. Antimicrobial resistant strains of pathogen bacteria are causing an increasing rate of deaths per year and are considered a serious worldwide problem. There is a need of innovative, creative, and accessible high-throughput screening methodologies to discover antibiotics with no scaffolds. We are developing a microfluidic platform for massive encapsulation in health microdroplets of environmental microorganisms. After inadequate incubation times in different media and conditions, health microdroplets will be sorted with fluorescence activated cell sorting to recover those in which microorganisms have grown. This methodology will be used to identify microorganisms with biological activity from environmental samples by co-encapsulating them in health microdroplets together with previously reported pathogenic bacterial strains. The proposed methodology will contribute to solve the problem of antimicrobial resistance with the search of new antibiotics.